Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to hide reposts on TikTok. Or if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, go ahead and open up TikTok, and under your profile, we have here our reposts. Okay. So what you can do to hide it is that you have two things: remove each repost individually, or make your account private. If your account is private, this one will limit your repost to followers only, not the general public. Okay, so the first option, deleting individual reposts. Tap on one. Now tap on the reposted right here, or you reposted button. Now tap on reposted, and then here just tap on delete repost. Okay, once that's done, you should be good to go. Now the other option, by setting your account private. Okay, again, this will only limit your repost to your followers only, not the general public. Okay, so go ahead and go to the top right, tap on the three horizontal lines and tap on settings and privacy. Now you gotta want to tap on privacy right here under account. Okay, tap on it and make your account private, just like so. And it says here, with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos, also your repost. Your existing followers won't be affected. And that is it. That's how simple it is to at least hide your reposts on TikTok. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.